Oh, I wanted to tell you this quote from Osho. How many of you know Osho? Great, that's much more than usual. So Osho was a Tantra master from India. He also was in Oregon for a while. And he has this great quote. Usually I have these slides when we're at night, but anyway, I'll enjoy them myself. Tantra is the science of transforming ordinary lovers into soulmates. That is the grandeur of Tantra. It can transform the whole earth. It can transform each couple into soulmates. Why I love this quote is because there's something you can do. So part of the problem is we're all living with this myth that we've had since we were 6 years old and watching Disney, that love was going to come by magic, right? And we're all waiting for this magic to happen. And men are waiting, women are waiting like little sleeping beauties on our toadstool for the guy to kiss us and wake us up. And the guys are waiting to see her across the room and go over and kiss her and wake her up. But it's this magical event. And it's full of victim consciousness, and we can get all into that. But I found out that so I've met people who are still waiting in their 60s and 70s, just waiting. And I remember this one woman at a party, I said to her, how's that going to happen? And she said, it's just going to happen. I'm like, so my friend told me she's still mad at me that I even asked her that question, because I was interrupting the fantasy of it's just going to happen magically. So what I found is it's not going to happen magically, just like your career is not going to happen magically. If we want to find love, we have to work on ourselves and find love and say, this is something I'm going to have for my life. So this quote from Osho really made me get that we can create our soulmate. We're not going to just meet them. We're going to raise our own, and Greg and I have a whole workshop on raising our own vibration so that we can pull in someone of a higher vibration. But right now we're going to practice meeting each other through love and awareness. Okay, so another concept I want to share with you before we get into our first exercise is that of practice partners. So in Tantra we have what's called practice partners. So in the Western dating, if someone's not dating material, you're not interested in them. That's it, we're done. I'm not interested in you, you don't look right, squawk right, talk right, I'm not interested. In Tantra, we think everyone is someone we can practice love with. Why wouldn't I? Okay, we're going to try to practice that here today, which is that you're probably not the love of my life, but that doesn't mean I have to throw you in the trash. I can just hang out with you and we can practice being loving together, because if I want to find love, I have to be a more loving person. If I'm the kind of person who throws people in the trash, I'm going to attract people who throw me in the trash. If I'm racist, ageist, bodyist, what is that called when you judge people by their bodies? Bodyist. Anyway, if you're judging people by all these things, you're going to get that back. Okay? One thing I really had was I had the ageism of the culture on me. I was older, I'm going out to date. I thought, there's all this stuff like men don't like older women. Oh my God. After I started working with my coach and I started dating guys from 28 to 68. That's what your mindset will do for you. It's all inside. Okay? So all this stuff about people don't like this and they don't like that, if they don't, who cares about them? We're not looking for those people. Okay? So we start working on all of these things inside ourselves to change them.